In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. So over here, as you can see, this is the error you're probably getting. It says, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction. And then what you want to do to fix this, it's actually quite simple. So you want to go to their official support page, so from Apple, which is support.apple.com. And then on here on the website, you want to scroll down until you will see Get Support. So it says Get Support over here, click on Start Now. And then over here, first you'll have to select your product. So you want to click on the See All Products where it says Choose a Product over here. And then you want to scroll down until you see iTunes Store inside Apps and Services. So click on iTunes Store and then click on Subscriptions and Purchases. Once you do this, you're going to have a few different options over here. So you're just going to have to choose a topic, and you can do any of these, but of course the most relevant is going to be unable to purchase, because of course your transaction is not going through, so unable to purchase. And then over here, it says see your support options, click on continue. And of course, the option you have over here is to add or edit payment method. However, if you scroll down here, it says contact and it says call us. So click on call us. And then you will get this number over here, which you should call from 9 a.m. to 20:45, which is basically almost 9 p.m. And then, of course, you want to call them, let them know what your issue is, and then they will help you out in resolving your situation. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.